Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the complete roadmap to a career in VLSI, also known as Very Large Scale Integration. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced engineer, this video will give you a clear path forward in this exciting field of semiconductors and microelectronics. Let's get started. First, let's talk briefly about what VLSI is. VLSI, or Very Large Scale Integration, refers to the process of creating an integrated circuit, ASIC, by combining millions of transistors onto a single chip. It's a field that touches nearly every electronic device you use, from smartphones to computers to IoT devices. With the growth of AI, 5G and IoT, the demand for VLSI professionals has skyrocketed. Now, let's look at the foundational skills you need to get started in VLSI. Subjects like digital logic design, microprocessors, and microcontrollers form the backbone of your VLSI knowledge. Familiarize yourself with programming languages commonly used in the industry, like Verilog and VHDL for hardware description and System Verilog for verification. Tools like Cadence, Synopsys, and Mentor graphics are also critical in the VLSI industry, so aim to get hands-on experience with them. Next, let's talk about the various specializations within VLSI. There are primarily two branches: design and verification. In design, you are focused on creating the actual circuitry that performs a function, like a processor core or a memory unit. Here, digital design and timing analysis are crucial skills. Verification, on the other hand, involves ensuring that the design works as expected in every possible scenario. This is where verification languages and methodologies like System Verilog, UVM, and scripting in Python or TCL come in. You may also come across areas like physical design, DFT, design for testability, and back-end design. Each of these specializations has unique tools and skills, so choose based on your interest and strengths. Now, let's discuss a step-by-step approach to learning VLSI. Step 1 is to strengthen your fundamentals in digital electronics and learn HDL, such as Verilog or VHDL. Step 2 is to gain hands-on practice by working on small projects or design exercises. Many universities and online platforms offer labs or simulation software that you can use to build circuits virtually. Step 3 is to get familiar with VLSI CAD tools, starting with open-source options if industry-grade tools are hard to access. Look for student versions or online courses that can introduce you to Cadence, Synopsys, or Mentor graphics. To really stand out, start building a portfolio of projects. This can be in the form of simple circuits you've designed, simulations, or even small applications. If you are interested in verification, create test benches or small test cases using System Verilog or UVM. Make sure to document your work, whether in a blog, GitHub, or a portfolio website. Recruiters look for people who can showcase their practical understanding. Getting internships or projects in VLSI is crucial. Many companies offer roles for entry-level positions in design or verification. Look for companies in your region or online platforms that focus on VLSI jobs. Internships will expose you to real-world problems, EDA tools, and industry-standard practices. Plus, these experiences often lead to full-time offers. Pursuing a master's or PhD in these areas can open doors to research roles, particularly in semiconductor companies and labs focused on cutting-edge tech. Before we wrap up, here are some final tips. First, stay updated with industry trends like FinFET, GA, Gate-All-Around, transistors, and new packaging technologies like chiplets. These are becoming increasingly relevant in VLSI. Networking is also important. Join forums, attend conferences, and connect with industry professionals. This can help you stay informed about the latest developments and job openings. And there you have it. A complete roadmap to kickstart or advance your career in VLSI. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.